Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Thursday, December 14th. Looking at some areas of dense freezing fog out there this morning, courtesy of high pressure, but beyond that, looking at quiet and dry weather continuing into early next week. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Key points we're going to focus on today: with high pressure remaining in place, look for those cold mornings with seasonably warm afternoon highs, especially for those that break out of the clouds. We are continuing to see some areas of dense fog, especially during those overnight and early morning hours, so certainly something to keep in mind if you're headed out the door this morning. Temperatures will see a warming trend through the weekend with above normal afternoon high temperatures. That'll be even supporting some potential records in the Stanley Basin for your weekend. Precipitation chances will return at some point next week. We're looking at a series of systems, potentially one early in the week and then one towards the middle and later part of the week, but trending more active as we head towards the Christmas holiday. Quick look at satellite for you this morning. Again, showing here in those brighter colors some widespread areas of low stratus and fog. Again, concentrated across the Snake Plain, Magic Valley, and down the southern valleys down towards Utah. But you can look to our west, an approaching shortwave trough. Working through the northern Rockies will bring some increasing mid and upper level clouds later today. That could help as far as at least reduce the amount of areas of dense fog and low stratus. Getting some cloud cover in here ahead of time, but we're keeping an eye on that for you later today. And a zoomed in look for you. So again, a bunch of these low clouds you can find along the I-15 corridor as you head southwest into the Burley area this morning, and as you head up towards Chalice and Salmon. But beyond that, mostly clear skies elsewhere. And where those clear skies are, it's pretty cold, with some of the coldest mountain basins in those single digits below zero. Here's a current look at our office webcam this morning, just showing you what it looks like on the ground. Certainly some pretty dense fog hanging around Pocatello. And look at the bigger picture for you. So again, high pressure ridge still in control. A passing shortwave to our north will help to introduce some of those increasing mid and upper level clouds I was talking about, but we're not expecting any moisture with this. Again, high pressure in control for the foreseeable future. Again, we get some moisture tapping into further west that we may start to see work into our area for the early and middle parts of next week, but we'll keep things dry through until then. Weather has got look for your next 5 days. Just focus on some areas of dense fog, particularly this morning across the Snake Plain, Pocatello, Idaho Falls, I-15 corridor. But outside of that, looking like a beautiful weekend, plenty of sunshine, and getting some chances for precipitation at some point next week. Temperatures today, a cold morning with single digits above and below zero. Warmest areas in the teens and low 20s. But afternoon highs, just about where they are yesterday, and those afternoon highs in those 30s and 40s. For your Friday, not a whole lot of change there. Getting some increasing mid and upper level clouds, which may help some of the fog. But overall, still looking at a cool morning, followed by afternoon highs in those 30s and 40s. First day of that warming trend we have into the weekend. And by your Saturday, a cool morning, but afternoon highs noticeably warmer now. We're looking at widespread highs in those 40s to even some below 50s potentially across portions of the Magic Valley. Again, record high in Stanley on Saturday will be 47, so we're about a couple degrees off there, but things look a little better for Sunday. And speaking of Sunday, another cool morning, but afternoon highs keeping with that warming trend. So widespread 30s, 40s, and low 50s. And again, 46 degrees there for the forecast on Sunday would break the record in Stanley by 2 degrees. Heading into Monday, we are starting to see some increasing chances for precipitation early in the week. Again, nothing super impressive, at least at this point, but certainly keeping an eye on that early and middle parts of next week. But beyond that, cool morning for your Monday. Afternoon highs in the 30s to upper 40s. And look at some of the ensemble QPF data, so GFS and European models, again, starting to ping some increasing chances around that Monday, Tuesday time frame, and then another one as we head into that Wednesday, Thursday period. So we'll be keeping an eye on that later in the week, but until then, keep things nice and quiet and dry. 6 to 10 day precip outlook, pretty much a typical El Nino setup here. We got above normal favorite precip to our south and west, below normal favorite as you head further north, but we're kind of in that near normal area into our area, so 19th through 23rd, heading into the Christmas time period, but overall, at least starting to trend at least more near normal precipitation wise. Temperature outlook, again, keep it with those above normal favorite temperatures, so looking at afternoon highs in the 30s and 40s each day. 8 to 14, again, typical El Nino pattern here, similar setup, above normal favorite precip to our south and west, but keeping with that near normal to below normal in the gem state. And 8 to 14, not a lot of change there, should be keeping things seasonably warm through the end of the year. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have an awesome Thursday and stay safe out there.